So guys, now let's learn about switches. It's kind of if else statement, but when you have a multiple conditions like more than 5, more than 10 conditions, then instead of writing else if every time, you can just use these switches, okay, because it has some cases. Okay, so I'll just write a variable called like const color is equals to blue. Okay, and now I'll use switch. Okay, switch color, and inside that means we have to write curly braces to go inside the switch. And now I can write several conditions. Okay, so if the case is red, then do certain things. Okay, so if the case is red, then do like console dot log, and I'll just write the color is red. Okay, and remember one thing, after writing everything you need to write break so that it doesn't check other conditions. Okay, for example, I'll need to write break over here obviously, and now if I write case is blue. Okay, and now if I go inside the second case, and here I'll also write a similar thing, so I'll just quickly copy it and paste it over here and change it with blue. So if you don't write break over here, so it will first check color is red, assume the color is actually red. Okay, so it will do this thing, but since there is no break now, so it will again check whether the color is blue or not, and if there is any term called blue inside the color, so it will also perform this thing. We don't want that. I want after every line, like if the condition is true, just break it, don't check other conditions. It will actually take longer time, longer memory allocation, so don't do that thing. Okay, so that's why we need to write break. Okay, so assume we want to check one more conditions. For example, if the case is yellow, okay, and do that thing, so paste it and change it with yellow. And now at the end of it, after writing all the conditions, whether this is that or so on, just write default. Okay, so I'll just need to write default, and inside that I need to write console dot log, and I'll just write color is not defined or something like that, or color is not present, or color is not red, not blue, not yellow, something like that. And again you need to write break, otherwise it will not break, it will continuously check the conditions. Okay, so now if I save it, you can see it is printing the color is blue because the second condition is true. It printed this line, then break, that means it will just go out of the switch statement, it will not check any other conditions after that. Okay, so now if I write red over here, now save it, you can see the color is red now, right? So this is all about the switches.